algorithm, if we think about the algorithm which must be used to solve the numericals of screw gauge, I have told you that the first thing which we require is what? Can you tell?
Yes, sir. Sir, the pitch of a screw gauge is equals to
Pitch.
distance between any two
No,
consecutive
no,
thread.
no, no, no. This is not the, yes, pitch. Okay, okay. Pitch is,
Sir, pitch of screw gauge.
okay. So define pitch.
Sir, the horizon complete rotation.
So any hint is given about this? First read the question. A screw gauge has 50 divisions on its circular scale and its screw moves by 1 mm on turning it by 2 rotations. Okay. So it is given that screw moves by 1 mm on turning it by 2 rotations, which is the main hint to find its pitch and define pitch.
Horizontal distance traveled by the spindle of the screw gauge in one complete rotation
So
of
what
its
is
head
given
is called
about
pitch.
this? So what thing is given about this? Am I
Sir, 1
audible?
mm.
Sir, it moves by 1 mm
When?
in two rotations.
In 2 rotations. Okay. So not only read 1 screw move 1 mm on turning it by 2 rotations.
Two rotations.
Two
Write the
rotations.
first formation as what?
Pitch of a
Pitch of.
screw.
Horizontal distance this is, na? Move
Yes.
Yes.
traveled by screw in 2 rotations equals to 1 mm. So horizontal distance traveled by screw in 1 rotation will be
0.5 mm.
1 by 2 mm instead. You have to say, okay. Don't state and
Yes.
directly. Okay. Otherwise, I will start telling you directly and you will also not be able to understand that. Is that clear to you?
Yes.
ठीक है. So distance, spindle and screw are the same thing. So distance covered by screw. If in question screw is written, we have to write screw in 2 rotations equals to 1 mm. It means distance covered by screw in 1 rotation equals to half mm. Okay.
Okay.
So, and we can also
Yes, sir.
change it to decimal if we want to. Now, according to algorithm, what is the second step?
Sir, number of
Number
circular
of circular scale division.
Yes. So we write number of circular scale division equals to given in the question
50 division.
50 division. Okay, everyone. So the third
Yes,
step
sir.
is to find
Sir,
Least count.
least count of screw gauge.
by using the formula least count equals to
Pitch upon
Pitch
least
upon
count is
number
equal
of
to pitch
circular
upon number of circular division.
so if you
division.
have seen I have first written least count then equals to then look at this line. It is just between the equals to sign. Okay. Pitch upon number of circular scale division. Now pitch is 0.5 upon number of circular scale division is 50.
50.
0.5 upon 50.0. Now decimal in decimal of one digit decimal in both numerator and denominator. So 5 by 500 which is 1 by 100 equals to. So now we can easily find the least count. It is 0.01 mm. Means screw gauge can measure up to accuracy of 0.01 0.01 mm accurately. Is that clear to you? Minimum accuracy for which the screw gauge can be used is 0.01 mm. The screw gauge which is given in this question. Is that clear to everyone? Again, now
Yes.
further read it. Next thing which we require is what?
Some main scale reading.
So anything is given about this. When the flat end of the screw is in contact with the stud, we know that stud is the fixed end and flat end is the movable.
Yes.
And when they are in contact, so what we have to find, it means when they are in contact with each other,
When the flat end of the screw
means what do you find to, what do you want to find in this? There is no main scale reading in this, as
the
no
voice is cracking.
as no object is held between the two ends of the screw. Screw gauge has two ends, you know. One is fixed end, which is called stud. I have told you this, I think. One end is stud, है ना? Which is attached at this corner, and this is the fixed end. And the other is screw end. This is the flat end of a screw. This portion is flat end of the screw. And when it is moved and attached to the stud, then what do you want to measure from this? Can you tell me? There is no object between the stud and the spindle. Spindle and screw are the same thing. Remember, I have told you, I think, spindle and screw are the same things. I have written this now on the figure. Spindle means screw and stud is different. So if these two are connected, then what do you want to find by connecting them? As there is no object.
So zero error.
Huh?
The zero error.
Yes, define zero error. Define zero error.
Yes,
Sir,
the vernier caliper is said to have zero error if on combining both the jaws of the vernier calipers.
Sorry,
Then on
it's not vernier calipers, it is screw
Sir,
gauge.
can I?
Continue.
So if on connecting the stud and the spindle of screw gauge, the zero of circular scale doesn't coincide the zero of main scale, then the screw gauge is said to have zero error.
Okay, is that clear to everyone? Means we want to measure only zero error from this. We are not finding main scale reading, so leave that step. Okay, vernier scale reading will also be not there, so leave that step. Clearly, observed reading will also be not there, so leave that step also. Understood, everyone?
yes, sir.
So what is the next step? To find the zero error.
Zero error.
Okay, now we know that there are two types of zero error. First is positive zero error and second is negative zero error. So can you tell me the definition of positive zero error?
If zero, yes, sir. The positive zero error. If zero error of circular scale.
If
lies
zero
below the-
error of circular scale,
No, sir. The
if
circular scale
Sir,
lies below. The,
So may
if
I?
zero
yes,
circular scale lies.
wait, give chance to others also. Yes.
So positive zero error is if on connecting stud and spindle of a screw gauge, the zero of circular scale, if it lies below the zero of baseline, that is main scale, so then the screw gauge is said to have positive zero error.
Is it correct? Yes.
So, if on connecting the stud and spindle of a screw gauge, the zero of the circular scale, lies below the zero of the baseline, then the screw gauge is said to have the positive zero error.
Okay, very good. And any other student will tell the negative zero error?
Sir, can I tell?
Yes, you can also.
If on connecting the stud and spindle of the screw gauge, the zero of the circular scale lies above the zero of the base, the screw gauge is said to have positive zero error.
So according to question, which type of zero error this screw gauge has? When the
positive zero error.
screw means you have understood the meaning of flat end of the screw means flat end of the screw means flat end of the screw. Okay, is in the contact with the stud. The zero of circular scale lies below the baseline. So which type of zero error is this?
Sir, positive zero error.
Yes, positive zero error. Na? Positive zero
Zero error.
error. And what is the formula?
The positive zero error is equals circular scale division coinciding baseline on coinciding stud and spindle into least count.
Yes, circular scale division coinciding the baseline on,
Excuse me, sir.
yes,
Sir, your camera is off.
camera is off. So why do you need? Screen is not appearing.
No, sir.
Anyone?
It is coming.
So it is coming.
Sir, it is coming.
Yes, it is the problem from your side. Who is there? So circular positive zero error equals to yes. Continue. Continue.
So positive zero error. So if on connecting the stud and spindle of a screw gauge, the zero of the circular scale lies below the zero of the baseline.
Now I
So
am
then it is
asking the
called
formula of positive zero error.
Sir,
The positive
CSD
zero,
Circular scale
coinciding.
division. Don't tell it CSD. We will write CSD, but
Circular scale division.
circular scale
So positive
division.
circular scale division coinciding the baseline on connecting the stud and spindle into least count.
Okay, in question, in place of a spindle, screw is written. So we will use screw. Okay, plus what? Circular scale division coinciding the baseline is given fourth.
For
To least count we have calculated
0.01
mm, and finding the product it is giving 0.04 mm. Is that clear to everyone?
yes, sir.
Yes.
So in first part we have to find the pitch. So after calculating, write pitch also. Pitch equals to 0.5 mm. This is first answer. Second, least count. Okay. Third, positive zero error. Is that clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Now write all the answers together at the end. Otherwise, 1 mark will be deducted. Always write the answers at the end. Like first, pitch equals to 0.5 mm. Second, least count equals to 0.01 mm. Third, positive zero error, or we will write only zero error. But if we write positive error, zero error, then also it is not wrong. But apply plus sign always to represent positive zero error. Is that clear to you? Then write answer. That's it. Okay, understood? Is that clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So if you have used some, sometimes have you used the screw? Any instrument which has screws,
Yes, sir.
or any
Yes, sir. Many times.
toy or any this constructive toy, na? Block toys which have screws. So if you use them again and again and again with and if you are not using them carefully, then after some time there will be wear and tear in the threads of a screw. Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
And that error is called as backlash error. Understood? That error is called as
Class.
backlash error of screw gauge. Screw gauge also uses a screw. So if we handle it, if we don't use it properly, okay, if we rotate it in both the direction and play with it, if we if we do not use it carefully, means we rotate it in both the direction at once. So after some time there will be wear and tear of threads of the screw gauge, and this type of error is called backlash error. Is that clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Sir. Yes,
So
sir.
write this in your notes. If the spindle of screw gauge is rotated carelessly in both the directions, it causes wear and tear of threads of the screw gauge. This type of error is called backlash error, as we will not be able to fit the object between the stud and the spindle if it has backlash error. Is that clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Sir, can you please repeat?
Can you please repeat? Written everyone?
Yes, sir.
Understood, na?
Yes, sir.
Is there any other doubt from the book?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, when I was solving these the exercise exercises, the same question is right with for me also. So, sir, today in the class we had discussed this. So, sir, we had got the definition, sir, that if the screw remains stationary in a part of rotation when by reversing, when the thimble is reversed in one direction of rotation, so sir, then it is called backlash error. So, sir, can we write this also if it comes as?
Same thing, na? When there is
Yes, sir.
fear of threads, sometimes it stops and sometimes it slides without rotating, it slides and crosses 2 or 3 threads without stopping, है ना? So we are not able to hold the object which is to be measured. Error is error. Why? Because we cannot use it properly. So we have to give the proper meaning of this error. Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
As we are not able to sometimes rotate it, it sometimes slides over the threads and sometimes it stops suddenly and we have to apply more force to rotate it. Is that clear to you? So this is error.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Any
Thank
other
you, sir.
doubt?
Sir, I have a doubt in 14th question.
You have sent it in chat or not?
Yes. Sir, sent.
I am not getting. Where? Just now.
No, sir, I had sent it at
Okay,
5:12.
Wait. Are you all there?
Yes, sir.
So there is a figure given in this question. So this fellow shows the reading obtained while measuring the diameter of a wire with a screw gauge. The screw advances by 1 division on main scale when circular head is rotated once. Means pitch is given, na? Distance traveled by, we know the definition of pitch. Distance traveled by screw in one rotation equals to what? 1 division on main scale. Understood? And I have told you that main scale means baseline. Have I told you or not?
Yes, sir, you have told.
One main
Yes,
scale
sir.
division and length of one main scale division is given in this figure. It is 1 mm. Okay. So 1 mm. Is that clear to you? So pitch is equal to 1 mm according to definition. Is that clear to you? First answer. Second,
Yes, sir.
count of the screw gauge. Okay. So how to find the least count of screw gauge? For this, what is the number of circular scale division? You can watch
So
it.
50.
50.
Sir, 50.
I have told you the example. 40 is written. After that, there are 10 divisions to reach 0. So there are 50 divisions. Understood? So number of circular scale division equals to 50. And we have to find the least count. Least count equals to pitch upon number of circular scale division. Pitch we already have calculated. 1. Number of circular scale division 50. So it is 0.02 mm. Is that clear to you? Third is the diameter of the wire. Okay. To find the diameter of the wire, first we need main scale reading. So what is the main scale reading? I have told you main scale reading means reading of the baseline just before the circular scale. So what is the reading? 1, 2, 3, 4. Is that clear to you? Are you there?
Yes, sir.
So the main scale
Yes,
reading is 4 mm, and don't copy. Bhai, I am giving you PDF, I am giving you video after the class. Then why are you copying it? There is no need to copy. Okay. Main scale reading is 4 mm. And then the next thing which we require is circular scale reading. So what is the circular scale reading? Circular scale reading means division of circular scale coinciding a main scale. Rub it from this. Okay. Don't write anything on the book. If you want to write, then draw the figure on your notebook and then write. Okay. Rub it from this. And this is 47 division, 49, 48, 47. And we know that this is equal to circular scale division coinciding the baseline, है ना? Into least count.
yes, sir.
Clear to you? Now circular scale division coinciding the baseline, which are 47. Okay. Into least count is 0.02. So 47 twos are 94. Now it is 0.94 mm. Understood? So observed reading. What is the observed reading? Observed
So,
equals to, always write the
main scale reading
main
plus
scale
circular
reading
scale
plus
reading.
circular scale reading, that is 4 plus 0.94 equals to 4.94 mm. So we can use the algorithm always to find the answers. First answer, pitch equals to 0.02 mm. Second answer, in second answer we have to find the least count, na? Sorry, pitch is not 0.02, it is the least count, na?
Yes, sir.
Pitch
The
is,
Yes.
pitch is 1 mm.
pitch is what? 1 mm.
The pitch is 1 mm. Yes, sir.
Least count is
Yes.
0.02 mm. And third, observed reading. So observed reading equals to what?
So diameter, so 4.94 mm.
4.94 mm. Or we can say the diameter. Okay, as in question, observed reading means diameter of wire equals to 4.94. Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Any
Yes,
other
sir.
doubt? Now I think you can solve all the questions from the book. And you have to follow the order. First, solve the theory exercise. Second, numerical exercise. And then finally, examples. Is that clear to you? Don't start the example initially, as you will start copying if you don't know the theory and the numerical doubts. Okay, numerical problems properly. So don't start with the examples. Is that clear to you? Is there any other?
Yes.
Is there any other doubt?